So the dog's got a new toy today. Look at it. I got him a Frisbee. And look at the little cute, my carpet's dirty. I got to clean it, so don't look at it. The little thing we got him last week at Walmart, but I guarantee you she's going to chew that up. Look, there's already teeth prints in there. Daisy, are you supposed to chew it? You're supposed to catch it, girl. Look at my pretty girl. Look at my pretty girl. Where's my Roscoe Picotrain? There, my baby. There, mama boy. There, mama boy.
I don't want to open my hand.
I don't want you to open your hand either. Look at that.
He's gonna crawl out.
Okay, if that thing jumps on me, seriously, something bad's gonna happen. Okay, let's see what she's got in there. Can you see? Oh, oh God! Where is it? Where is it?
Get away! I want to eat him. Come here.
Wait, she didn't say she wanted to eat him. She said she don't want to. Hold it straight. Okay, let's see. I can't even see it. It's dark.
He wants to.
That thing jumps. Come over here. Oh, God. Let me see. Oh, did it go to the crack? Pull him out.
This is cruel.
Okay. Oh, God. Let him see what it is. Huh? Put it somewhere. Put it somewhere. Not close to me. Put it over here. Put it somewhere. I'm trying to tell them what.
It's a frog.
Okay, it's a frog. It's a baby frog. Let's try to get a close up of it.
He's gonna
Out here in the
jump.
dark. It's gonna jump again.
He's gonna jump.
Can you see it? Let's see. Let it focus. Wait a second. Oh, that's too close. It's just like a little black hole. Oh well, it is a frog. Trust me, people. Can you see? There. You see it?
Stop.
Look at that. She's caught a frog. The dog's had it out back. Daisy was had like foam coming from her mouth. So I don't know what kind of frog it is, but that's a frog. Look what a beautiful day. The sun is shining. It is so pretty out. And today is we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna do a little fun things today. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I think she's gonna get her nails done. We're gonna go eat. Where'd it go? Okay, come over here. Oh, never mind, it'll jump in the yard. We don't like frogs in the yard, but we're gonna go eat, and I don't know what else we're gonna do. Look at the dog's pool. It's like destroyed. If that thing jumps on my back, I'm gonna take another shower. But we're gonna take you along. I'm taking my BFF, which is my daughter, and she's taking her BFF. So,
Which is me.
which is, show them your nails. Got some nails did. Had a girls' day today. Now we're heading to Red Lobster.
Driving.
Oh my gosh!
She wants to go.
Look how packed they are. This is Exeter entrance. So, can you guess where we're at? It's dark there.
You just.
Well, it didn't take long for the biscuits and
You do
everything
with
to
a
disappear.
couple. Then you eat it like me when I eat my sandwiches. Imagine if I had my like normal lunch and I would just. Like some hot.
So look at this. Don't that look absolutely amazing? Look what everybody's got. Everybody's got the same thing. Of course, she has to have chicken and fries.
That's not
as
chicken.
Always. Yeah.
That's flounder.
Well, my bad. Just look at mine. That's what's important in mine. The neighbors have chickens. I don't know if I've showed you the chickens before, but they're going in. Can you see it? You see the little bok? Look at the little chicken. There's like 6 or 7, but oh, it ran in the house. Oh well. All right. We're gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna let you look at my beautiful, beautiful land here. Needs mowed. My husband probably come mow it tonight. But I hope you enjoy this vlog. You know, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Isn't that the sexiest man you've ever seen in your life? Hey, baby. Okay, he's ignoring me.